Before 19th of July 2012, we started in the name of Kurdish Language Institution and opened our branches in every city, town and village. After that, in spite of the difficult condition, we started teaching Kurdish language as well as a new curriculum at school. Instead of one culture, one language, one flag, one belief, and one nation at school that have been turned into a factory where other languages, cultures, beliefs, and nations assimilated, we started with a new mind, a new culture, and accept all other languages, cultures, beliefs, and nations, and taking the responsibility to protect all of them and help them developing themselves at schools. In 2015-2016, in Afrin and Kobane cantons, all the curriculum in kindergartens, preschools, and primary schools have been changed, and the new curriculum have been prepared to be studied in Kurdish, Arabic, and Syriac languages, so that every nation could study its mother language. And in 2016 and 2017, the same curriculum followed, and the courses taught in the three languages, in intermediate and high school as well. In Jazeera Canton, we started with the primary school, and now we are preparing ourselves to apply the new curriculum over all the intermediate school in the next year. By the time we have got more and more experience, and despite the difficult conditions we live in, we started opening institutions, academies, and even university to study languages, history, culture, and literature, and preparing teachers to teach these courses in every city and town. Since the announcement, the democratic self-administration all our strive have been running by commissions of education. Besides, there are also academies for art, the genealogy study of women, that means scientific, economical, agricultural, diplomatic, and intellectual academies in every city and town. In spite of all the development we have made, we still have big problems that don't allow us to work as it's supposed to be. The biggest problem we face are war and blockade that are first against our will. These conditions make our life and everything difficult. For example, getting press papers, printing the curriculum, computers, desk, and other things that are related to education and studying are very, very difficult. Despite of all difficult conditions, we have never spent a day far from schools and pupils because we consider the knowledge and education as weapons against ignorance.